traveling in cars. I have already covered most states of India by road. We have also driven our car into Nepal. Here is one more video of mine. Now we are going to Statue of Unity. They are giving free bus service from car parking to the statue. Now you can see the statue. I'll go to the statue and show you. Goodbye for now. And remember to subscribe, like and share my videos. Hi, this is me Tanya. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.